We draw pictures before we can write. We write stories before we learn to write anything remotely academic. Creative stuff kicks in earlier in our lives than anything else that we do as human beings.
So tune is it's the limbic system, it's also our fight or flight system, our primal system. This was one of our very first parts of the mind to be formed. If we didn't have that part of the mind, we would cross roads, or we would step out into a track just to get to the other side without realising the danger.
Stress and all of the problems that we have in life, if you actually filter things back, exist because we've engineered it. We've created these reasons to be stressed. We've created a routine in which we have to force ourselves that doesn't fit with the way that actually humans want to live and want to exist.
Computer it's like a storage system for all of our past experience. So everything that we've ever been through is stored in the computer part of the mind.
Stress is 80% human engineered. And if we got rid of that bit, the other 20% would be so easy to manage.
Just take a deep breath in, nice and slowly, and it flips the brain from side to side.
If everybody woke up in the morning and did the Tai Chi, wrote a poem or drew a picture or did a painting, phoned a friend and just someone who you think might be having a bit of a rough time and just had a conversation with somebody.
They call it sinking the chi. So if you're getting stressed and people are like, oh, if I go to here, they think that this sort of the energy, the chi sort of resides up here. The top of your head is being suspended from the ceiling by a golden thread. So you're a bit like a Thunderbird character.
Calm and allow you to have all the control.
Even if we shifted our 9 to 5 working day to be 9 to 8, and we had a morning, every morning when we got out of bed where we just did these helpful things for ourselves, how much nicer would the world be?